OIC of the NIT team to deliver his.
A special visit took us to NSG Training Center at Manesar, where we gained valuable insights into the allied forces of our nation. On 7th March, we travelled to Dehradun, where we experienced the grandeur of the Indian Military Academy, the Forest Research Institute, and the captivating Roberts Cave. We also visited Pacific Mall, Paltan Bazaar, and had the privilege of interacting with the Honorable Governor of Uttarakhand at Raj Bhavan. A visit to Rashtriya Indian Military College offered a unique glimpse into the lives of student cadets. Returning to Delhi on 11th March, we had an engaging interaction with GOC Delhi area. A metro ride from Moti Bagh to Narayana Vihar added a fun yet exceptional experience before we set off on our return journey to Dimapur. On 13th March, we had the distinct honor of meeting Honorable Governor of Nagaland, who shared his wisdom and encouraged the students. That evening, we
before you feeling truly honored and grateful in such a meaningful way. Assam Rifles made this from the warm and thoughtful welcome in Tengganu grew stronger and further crossing the Mall Gate. We were in Kohima. Visit and respect for our history. Feeling was thrilling. Bonding us further as we discussed the adventure was immensely beautiful. The discipline, profound sense of respect and vision of India was once in a lifetime. The beauty of the Lotus Temple and learn about our army at Rasputana Rifles Regimental Center, founder of our country. Visiting the Indian Military Academy inspired many of us. The Forest Research Institute, Brooklyn, meeting the Honorable King and patriotic.
ready? One. The parents and my fellow soldiers from 26 sector. Firstly, at the outset, it gives me tremendous pleasure and satisfaction to be here amongst you guys on an event which is something somehow became very close to our hearts. If I can echo the sentiments by you just heard in the clip before, where GOC 3 Corps General Pendalkar is speaking to you, I can say with a hand on my heart that I am equally jealous of your trip, the way you people have gone, the lovely places you went, the wonderful people you met en route, the bonding, the friendship which was palpable, which was very, very evident, which was very clear when you saw all the photographs on a daily basis, where Robin would send me a consolidated list of photographs, and I used to see and admire each day everything which you guys were doing. I was getting a first-hand account of that, and from the time you all got together, from that day to every part, every facet of your journey, whether it is traveling from here till Dimapur, from Dimapur to Delhi. For most of you, it would have been a wonderful train journey, and from there going to Dehradun, meeting the Commandant INA, that is our alma mater for us. All of us have got trained there. All these are very, very wonderful experiences, and I'm sure you've made correct use of them. Now, what was the need or what was the reason for this tour to go? Or why we selected the way we selected our children to participate in this tour? Now, we are living in very difficult times in the state of Manipur. And in this difficult time, Palel and 26 sector has always been an oasis of how things could be better. Whether it is our tiny village of Kotha, in the middle of nowhere, we have a very strong community of Meitei population living there. In Palel, we have all three communities living here together. In Chandel, we have three communities living together in some form. If we can live like this here, if we can go on a tour the way you have all done, and if all of you are so happy going the way you have gone and the way you have interacted, why can't the other members of our state take a lesson and take a leaf out of this book which you have seen for yourself? No three communities or all three communities which when you go together are different. We have our individual qualities, but when we come together as a team, we are Manipuri first. So if this trip can teach us one lesson, it is this: the enduring legacy of the state should persevere, and you all are torchbearers of this particular experiment which we undertook in this exercise. The team spirit displayed by all of you, by your beautiful performances in the afternoon today. We had all three communities giving individual solo performance, thereafter a fusion performance. It adds to the richness of this event. That is something which all we must take note of. The day you left from here, you would have noticed that we went straight to the highway. We went from here to Imphal. For a large number of you, this would have been your first experience in the last 2 years. From Imphal, you went to Maram and then onwards to Dimapur. But on your way back, we got you from a different route. We wanted you to experience both the sides. If things are good, if we go together, if we live together, then that is the way. Otherwise, we will continue to have these difficulties in times to come. So through you, I want to spread this message of hope for everyone in this state. Yes, it can be done. It is possible. We have not reached a state where, or we've not reached a stage where we cannot live together anymore. So that is a very important message which I want all of you to carry from here. I want to thank all the parents who allowed the children to go together, who trusted us, as the Vice of the tour, Ms. Jagminder, said some time back. You trusted us with your children to be taken safely. I understand the apprehensions of the parents are always there when the children, their loved ones, are taken out and they go for a long period of 15-20 days outside. But we want to thank you for allowing us this opportunity, for allowing us this space where you can send your children to come with us and be part of this important journey with us. My compliments to the organizing team, especially to Mr. Jagminder and his staff who went along with them. All 5 of you did a brilliant job there, and it was very, very evident from the experiences, from the expressions of the children when you saw all the photographs. My compliments to TSM Rifle for having organized this event in the manner in which they've done. And especially Robin, great job. I understand whatever you saw in the kaleidoscope, in that short movie clip, in the photographs, nothing happens without proper planning. A lot of hard work, a lot of coordination goes into organizing an event like this. Okay, so having said all these things, compliments to the entire team of 26 Sector for having organized one of the most marvelous and wonderfully executed tour. And last, most important, for all the children, 28 of you, for being brilliant brand ambassadors of the state, of having gone to different parts of the country, met very senior dignitaries and showcasing yourself as a very, very vibrant and a dynamic group of youngsters. And I'm sure that 28 of you, for the times to come, will maintain your friendship, will maintain your connect with each other. These days, mobile, social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, everything is there. And I'm sure all of you will take it forward from here. Make a group. Put the name of One Nation, One Heartbeat together on that group and stay connected and add more people into that. Maybe next year we'll send some more. Maybe next year we send some more parents also along with you. Okay, so that is going to be our plan ahead as we go. It should not stop here. Through you are the torch bearers or the flag bearers. With you, more number of people should get added on to it. One day, very soon, we should have youngsters like you leading the way to go into the valley, or from valley to come into the hills, both sides. You should be able to give that confidence to the people. Yes, the situation is not as bad as the newspapers want to show us, or as the media, or as the people want to talk about it. Yes, there are challenges, but those challenges can be surmounted, those challenges can be overcome, and I'm sure we'll find a way around them. Okay, so that was the serious note. But I saw some wonderful performances. Who was the naughtiest of you all with me too?